Hello everyone, this is Susan and welcome to Susan Hiles Art. And today I'm working on the hashtag #stashtotreasure open collaboration that you are welcome to join in at any time if you would like to. And today's prompts are for January 27th, scrapbook paper, collage paper, file folders, and binders. I took out scrapbook paper and collage paper. So I have it clipped down right now. It is not glued, but we're going to do that together. And then I have this piece of scrapbook paper as well. It's the same collection, and I figure I might put it somewhere around there. And I'm going to add this. So this is fabric, and I know that fabric isn't the prompt yet, but I'm still thinking more on book pages, which was last week's prompt. So, I know that I want to get that down somewhere around there. So that looks good. I like that. It's working. Just want to make sure my edges are down. Cute. Isn't he cute? I just love him. Oh my gosh, this stuff, when it gets on your fingers, oh my gosh. All right. Now, I know I want to put this on here, and I know I want to put that on there. So I think I'm going to put it right here because I still want to be able to see some of this paper from underneath. So I think I'm just going to put it right there. So let me mention at this point, while I'm putting this down, that my co-hosts for this collaboration are Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming, Helen from Moss Cottage, and Maria from Maria's Miscellany. And their links are below, so please check them out. And please also go ahead and click on the hashtag #stashtotreasure so that you can see everybody's videos that are playing along in this collaboration. All right, now I want to, like I say, add that there because that's what it would look like. And I like that look. And I think part of the reason I like that look is because, well, there's this print up here, and having this print over here like that, I think that looks good together. And I like adding fabric, of course, right? I mean, I shouldn't say of course because I mean, if you don't know, I do a lot of stitching. So, I like to incorporate fabrics when I can. All right. Well, let's see. I'm just going to put that there. Let's push it down. Well, that was like super easy to get on there. I mean, it's all on. I don't think I need to add any more glue. So that's what it's looking like so far. I like it a lot. Okay, so that's the front of it. I like that. Now let's think about the back. So right now the back is, just has the collage from last week. But let me open this up a little bit. It's very difficult working with this journal because it's so big. Oh my gosh, I end up knocking everything off my desk, and yeah. let me give you an idea of what I'm thinking as far as adding more scrapbook pages. Like, so this again is all the same collection. So this bird and this is all the same paper collection, and it's really awesome. And so what I'm thinking when it comes to the pages on the inside, because I will be doing the pages as well, and I think I'm going to have to do another part 2 to this, because which I did last week, because there's just not enough time for me to work on the cover and on all of the pages. But I'm going to take my pages, which these are my pages right here. They came out awesome with all of the collaging on them. So I'm super happy with that. And now this is just the background, right? This is the base background to build up on. But what I'm thinking is, like, I want to keep it flat, right? Because of the type of journal or the type of packaging that I'm using for this journal, I can't have it be chunky. I'm all about the chunky journal. I love a good chunky journal. But this one cannot be that. It can't. Otherwise, it's never going to close, literally. It needs to be, you know, very, very, very thin. So, you know, it's going to be a really, you know, basic fussy cut around here. But I'll keep this girl to put on one of the pages on the inside. But I want each page to have a focal point, of course. So I have also all of this. So some of this, a lot of this is from Fran Lynch. She sent a lot of this to me. This is old. This piece right here, somebody sent that to me. I would love to get that used because I love it. It's just a stamped image on tissue paper. But like, Fran sent me all of these awesome pieces, and I want to get them down. Now these are also scrapbook paper. These are old. These I've had from 2015. So I want to use, that's an envelope. I want to use some of this scrapbook paper as well. And the way that they are made is it's kind of like a flip up, because, well, it was a Crazy Island family swap, and if anybody knows what Crazy Island family is, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, and I also took out, because, you know, part of this week is collage paper. Well, I went through a drawer and I found some wrapping paper that I thought would look really well with this. But all of this is collage paper, or paper I can collage with. So I have a lot of, you know, painty type papers, a lot of jelly prints. I need to do another day of jelly printing. And, you know, and here, this is on deli paper. So here's a tip for all of you. Some of you definitely know this and have done it. Others, it's just a great tip, is take your tissue paper, or even if you're working with a napkin, when you pull a ply or plies off of that napkin, so tissue paper, deli paper, this is deli paper, the plies from the napkin, anything like that, stamp on it. And then you have more pages to use. So these right here were both stamped. This is a piece of deli paper, but this is painted, so this must be with a stencil that somebody sent to me. So use those blank substrates, right, those blank pages, and decorate them yourself, and then you have all this awesome stuff to use in your journals. Yeah, so that was just a little side tip for you, but I have all of this. So a lot of this I'm going to be using on the inside of this journal. But for the back of this, I was thinking, now let me grab my pages back over here. So I'm just looking at size. And see, this right here is too wide for this page. But if I go down, I'm going to pull this page out. You know what? That would fit on there. And I think I will put this, I'm going to cut this out, and I think I will put it here. And I'm thinking of adding some paints as well. So I took out just 3 of my Dina Wakley paints, and I think what I'm going to do is add some paint on the pages of this journal. So stay tuned for that. But for this, I am going to, for the cover, I'm going to just cut this out really quickly, and we're going to put this on the back of the cover. And what will happen, so like what that does is it creates continuity between the cover and the inside of the journal. So when you're working in a journal, you know, a lot of times you'll hear everybody talk about a theme. And so a theme, that's what helps you create a cohesive journal. And so my theme literally was built around the scrapbook paper. So that's what I knew I wanted to use. And I've had this scrapbook paper out to use for probably all of 2022. I mean, I definitely knew I wanted to use it. And I can put that like right down there. I think that that's perfect. And all it does is it adds a little bit of interest to the back of my journal. Just right down there. Oops. Like that. All right, let me just make sure. Yep, I think it was that easy. And look at how cute that looks on there. So that's going to be the back, easy peasy. I don't know, I don't think I'm going to add anything else right now to the cover, but yeah, so what I'll do is I'll come back tomorrow and we will get the pages done. So I'll put it on fast forward tomorrow and put on some music, and I'll get some of the painty paper as well as the scrapbook paper down onto the pages. And so that's it for today. I did go ahead and I untied this, and I just want to show you. It's going to be, you know, as simple as just tying it shut. All right, so that's going to be it for today. And I love my cover. And there's my house. And I will actually see you tomorrow for part 2, and we'll work on those pages. All right, thanks for being here, everybody. Please make sure to check out everybody else's videos. Click on the hashtag #StashToTreasure, and you will see their videos. All right, thanks so much, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.